Gossips, trending, viral content, celebrity lifestyle. Welcome to Miracle Jameson. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time here, kindly do to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. So that's much of your time. Let's get right into the gist of today. So guys, the candlelight procession and tribute for Mohbad is currently happening in Lekki, and Davido kept to his promise and stormed the tribute venue at the Muri Okunola Park, where the candlelight procession and tribute is taking place right now with a whole lot of other celebrities I'm going to be telling you guys about in my full coverage of the event. For now, this is just the beginning phase. Stay tuned for the full video. But Lashmeda was also looking sad as he prepared to go out for this tribute. So guys, the Nigerian police released an update on Mohbad's body. You guys know I posted earlier that they exhumed the body already, so the Nigerian police force is back with an update on the autopsy of Mohbad. It reads, the Nigerian police force wishes to inform the public that the autopsy procedure for Mr. Mohbad has been successfully completed. Further information will be provided as soon as the results are available. Wow, that was fast. That was really fast. I never expected the autopsy would be done so quickly, and we're going to get the autopsy in the next 6 to 5 hours, but just make sure you stay tuned on my channel because I have everything right here for you guys. Don't go anywhere. I'm very certain Naramali Sam Larry are actually trying to hide right now because the truth is about to be exposed, and of course it's going to shake everywhere when it's exposed, and we'll finally know if the nurse was guilty. Sam Larry, Naramali, anybody that was involved in this case will be brought to book, including Mohbad's father. So let's just hope the autopsy comes out really well. I got all the updates. For now, I'm going to be leaving you with Mohbad candlelight procession and tribute at Lekki. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys soon.
Bobo, justice for Imale. Oh no, I'm a fanasio. On gbona gidi. Kò gbá kankan.